Tristan. Hey, handsome. Oh! What was that? Are you a tutor? Are you a tutor? Yes, you are. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Hi. Say, what's going on? What's going on in this big world? Huh? Are you talking? You gonna tell us a story? Huh? Oh. Is that the poopy face? That's usually the poopy face. What you doing, huh? Oh, big boy. Oh, say, I got my shirt unbuttoned. I'm waiting for the ladies.
Hi, Mom. What are you doing? Taking a video.
Oh, here's Aubrey. Here's Aubrey. Is that your big sister? Oh, yay! Yay!
Sissy gets brother.
Where is she? Where's Aubrey? Huh?
Here I am.
Where's Aubrey? Hmm?
Here I am. Hey.
Alright, say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Say, look how big I am. Look how big I am.
I'm a big boy. See? I'm a big boy.
He's watching you.
Hmm.
Say, ooh, Aubrey, you smell so much better. You just got out of the tub.
Oh, you smell like a pig one. Oh, you Tristan.
Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye.